Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about contact lens fitting in children, pediatric contact lens. The indication for use pediatric contact lens. Number 1, high myopia. Contact lenses are an excellent option for correcting high myopia in children. It allowing an increased field of view and in refractive cases a more normal image size than spectacles. Number 2, unilateral anisometropia. Those patients are having both eyes different power, for them pediatric contact lenses are better option. Number 3, high hypermetropia. Contact lenses are more rapidly accepted in hypermetropic patients due to reduced accommodative demand compared with spectacles. Number 4, strabismus with high refractive error. Strabismus means squint eye. Those patients' eyes are squint. For them, pediatric contact lenses are better to reduce the convergence. Number 5, aphakia. Aphakia means absence of crystalline lens. Advantage of pediatric contact lenses are it provides good optical correction. It reduces the distortion and anisoconia. Next, less image magnification. It promotes binocular development of eye. It's better tolerant than spectacles. And last one is only choice for unilateral case. Next, pediatric contact lens fitting parameter. Here, average power needed for the aphakic eye. 0 to 12 months baby, we need plus 29 diopter to plus 32 diopter. 12 to 24 months baby, we need plus 20 diopter to plus 26 diopter. And more than 2 years baby, we need plus 12 diopter to plus 20 diopter. Next, corneal curvature table. Day 1 baby, the curvature is 54.31 diopter. For 3 months baby, corneal curvature is 48.19 diopter. For 1 year baby, the corneal curvature is 48.74 diopter. 4 years baby, corneal curvature is 42.28 diopter. And for 9 years baby, corneal curvature is 43.01 diopter. Next, contact lens fitting process. Number 1, history taking. Here we need patient chief problem and ocular and health history we should know, along with family ocular and health history also we should know. Number 2, ocular examination. Here visual acuity and refraction we should check properly. We should check corneal measurement by keratometry or hand-load topography. Number 3, contact lens type and parameter selection. Here diameter for soft contact lens 2 to 3 mm more than horizontal visible iris diameter, and for RGP contact lens 1 to 2 mm less than horizontal visible iris diameter. Base curve 1 to 2 diopter is steeper than flatter K. Initial base curve can refer to table 1. Table 1 is this one. This one, table 1, this chart. Next, power. Power is depend on the age of the patient. Material, high decay. High decay means high value of oxygen flow to the cornea is important as it improves wearing comfort and longer term tolerance. Next, contact lens fitting. First, parents hold baby's leg and arm. Next, hold patient's upper lid with index finger and pull down patient's lower lid with thumb. Then slide the lens under the upper lid and under the lower lid with the index finger of other hand. After that, while positioning and inserting the contact lens, explain to the parent what, how and why doing these steps. Thus, parents can apply at home. Number 5, contact lens assessment. Here, allow the contact lens to settle for about 20 minutes. The ideal physical fit. Pentos or Barton lamp. Barton lamp means slit lamp with fluorescent strip. Here we observe 2 mm movement of contact lens. There is no encouragement upon the limbus for soft contact lens. The optics are within the pupil. The optics are within the pupil means the center of the contact lens and the center of the pupil should be equal. Avoid tight fitting. Next, follow up. After 1 day, to evaluate the fitting, perform retinoscopy and stay in the cornea. After 2 to 4 weeks, for lens removal, cleaning and disinfection, and teach parents. Next, parents must be educated on how to apply lens lubricant every morning and night. Advise parents to look for redness, discharge, rubbing eyes. Here, parents should know how to remove contact lens and how to clean the contact lens and how to apply lubricant every morning and night, and check after fitting the contact lens any redness or any discharge or any rubbing particles are present or not. Number 7, lens order. Add 2 diopter or 3 diopter for final prescription to enhance near vision. For RGB contact lens, custom made variety of power. And soft contact lens like Silsoft. Silsoft is a brand name. Power limitation. Lenses come in 3 diopter increment. Prescribe mode plus because the infant world is up close. Thank you.